Hi y'all, I'm Bree, an area sales manager with DR Horton, Wilmington, and today we're at the beautiful community of Grayson Park. Just 15 minutes outside of downtown Wilmington, Grayson Park is tucked in a quiet yet lively area of Leland, North Carolina. Our duet plan, the Belmont, features 3 bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms at just under 1,200 square feet. Park offers amazing community amenities right at your doorstep. Relax after a long day's work at the clubhouse. Enjoy a great workout at the fitness center. Even dip your toes in the pool and enjoy that warm North Carolina sun. And you can even play your hand at pickleball and sports courts. Being just 10 minutes from the shopping and dining in Brunswick Forest, you have everything you need right at your fingertips. Add a few more minutes to your drive and you're right in the heart of downtown Wilmington to experience some of the best dining, lively night scene, and the most enchanting historical landmarks. There's something here for everyone to enjoy. Take advantage of our current incentives and below market interest rates and give us a call today to schedule a tour with a new home specialist so that you can see why Grayson Park is the perfect place to call home.